Please do it now, ma'am. Sir, please open SAP server, sir. Okay. Here, in the loan session, okay, we are done with the open item management. In the month-end provision, we had two things. One is open item management. Second one is accrual or deferral method. Okay. Now, we'll deal with accrual or deferral method. Okay, now go to transaction FBS1, sir. Transaction code FBS1. Here, please take, guys, here, please keep in mind one thing. Here, sir, దాంట్లోనే ఉండండి, sir. Here, guys, you can see under document type, period is there now. It should be same for document date and period. For this only, for the only accrual and deferral, it should be only one. Suppose think that, sir, please take 17th December 2022, 17/12/2022, that 17/12. Now, please take document type S1 and period. Sir, anyone please tell me. It was 9th period, no, December? Yes or no, guys? Sir, here please select 9th
Yes, sir.
period.
Yes, sir.
And please select company code. And currency INR. In the reference column, please enter accrual, just mention or reference. In the header text column, please maintain accrual, maintaining accrual. Okay, reversal reason 01. Please come down, sir. Please use a scroll, then draw box, sir. Drill it down. Just wait. Yeah. Please select a 01, sir. And scroll it down. Please select posting key 40. And just think that salary account data to outstanding salary. We're creating, okay, accrual for salary account. Okay. Just maintain it, sir. Salary account data to outstanding salary account. What happened, sir? Claim all required entry field. Okay, please select a date, sir. Today's date. Now click enter. And the posting to 0 and so on. Yeah. Okay, sir. Otherwise, please select first of
Document
January.
post.
What, ma'am?
December is 9.
Sir, please select here period in the period column. Just try 09. 09 and click enter.
We can go ahead, I think.
Okay, sir. Otherwise, here please take 1st of January, sir. Not that, yeah, in the document date column. 1st of January. Now click enter. No problems. Okay, what was there?
Reason 1 does not permit a later reversal. Correction required.
Okay, please drill it down. I mean, please use Dropbox.
You can take reversal reason 202. Viragaru.
Yes.
In close period.
Close period.
Enter. Date or in the same period.
Can you enter once again?
Yeah, it will accept.
Actually, that is not a mistake.
In the amount field, please enter 1000. Business area, value date, text, being creation of accrual document for salary account, being rising of invoice for accrual document, rising of invoice, rising RAISING, rising of invoice for accrual document for salary, okay, for salary account. Okay, scroll it down, sir, and please take a line item 50 here, and now please select outstanding salary account. Continue. Enter. Here amount field store, value date, and text plus, and go to on top you can see document. Sir, on top you can see document. No? Yeah. Here please stimulate, and now please post it, sir. Now we had created. Okay. What is the document number? We are now raised invoice of accrual. Okay, now we will reverse this by using the T code F.81. Now go to transaction code F.81, sir, slash n F.81. F.81. Enter. Okay, here please give your company code, just company code. And now click on execute option. Execute option. Yes, sir. Now this is the document. Okay, now on top you can see reverse documents. No, click on it, sir. Okay, down what is that? Processing completed means you had reversed a document. Okay, what the I mean here essay document you had created something now. It has been reversed. Okay. Now we'll post it manually by using F-02 or FB50. Go to transaction code F-02, sir. Here, please mention salary account data to bank account. 40 salary, 50 bank.
సార్ టెస్ట్ ఏమైంది
సార్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ ఒక పేయింగ్ సాలరీ మాన్యువల్లీ పేయింగ్ సాలరీ మాన్యువల్లీ. And please check this document by using FB03, sir. Please make it fast.
Hello, sir.
Sir, please check it. Are you posted this document, sir?
Yes, sir.
No, please check it in transaction code FB03, sir.
03. 03. Physical year mention. Just enter. Enter. Salary account data to ICICI Bank.
Plan.
Okay, sir. Is it clear, sir? No. Please check that particular ZL account by using FS10 and
Account number.
Salaries account. Salaries.
Okay.
Just enter.
No.
What? Account 2007 it is not
Does
posted.
not posted in physical year 2022.
Actually, entry post is in business area. Work list on. వర్క్ లిస్ట్ అని ఏదో చూపిస్తుంది చూడు. ఏం లేదు 2023 మెన్షన్ చేయడం. ఎంటర్ కొట్టు.
Veeraswamy, you are in GL account, na? So company code will not come.
Company
GL
code.
FS10 and you are going now, Veeraswamy.
Outstanding.
So GL
GL
FS10
balance
na?
checking.
GL balance. So GL account number will come there. Can you go back once again?
Where is madam? GL account లేదు కదా.
సెలెక్ట్ చేయి.
ఏయ్ ఉన్నది.
ఇక్కడే సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సాలరీస్ అకౌంట్ ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎంట్రీ పాస్ చేసిన సాలరీస్ అకౌంటే కదా.
అవును. ఒక్క నిమిషం.
చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ డిప్రిషియేషన్
కంటిన్యూ.
ఎంటర్ కొట్టు. ఎందుకు బిజినెస్ ఏరియా స్టార్స్ చూపిస్తుంది?
Yeah, put business area. Veeraswamy garu.
what is happening, guys?
హలో 2022 మెన్షన్ చేయి.
22 can you take?
22 ఎంటర్ కొట్టు.
Just wait, sir.
23.
Now please go to
23.
transaction code FS10N slash FS10N.
FS10N.
Enter. Now here, please enter that particular account. Please use the drill down. Please use Dropbox.
2,01,000.
Please click. Okay. Click enter now. Now please select your particular bank account. We'll check it now. Okay. Now click on execute option. Okay. Is it clear, guys? No.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, we are in the some other period. We are in the January period month. But now here, why it was going there in the 10th month? Can you please tell?
We are in V3 physical year variant, sir. Related to 10 is January month.
Okay, for January it was 10th month.
10th
okay,
period.
that is the reason it was going.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Actually, right now I sent it on PPT. Guys, please open it, all of you.
Accounts payable and accounts receivable. Yes, sir.
Accounts receivable and accounts payable. How many of you can see it?
Yes, we can see it, sir.
Okay, guys. Here, what is the first point under accounts payable and accounts receivable?
Create account
Creation of
groups.
account groups for AP and AR.
Creation of account groups for AP and AR. Guys, here we have three types of account groups.
Yes, sir.
Vendor, sorry, domestic, one time and international. It means one time vendor, okay, domestic vendor and international vendor. For accounts payable it was. For accounts receivable, one time customer, domestic customer and international customer. Guys, the person who provides goods or service to you guys, to your organization, to the particular person we call vendor. Okay, and here to whom we sell our final product, to that particular person we call customer. The person who sent us raw materials, to that particular person we call vendor. The person who sends us inputs, to that particular person we call vendor. And to whom we sell our final output, to whom we sell our final output, to that particular person we call customer. Is it clear regarding who is vendor and who is customer?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I will ask questions at the end of the session. Okay, please keep in mind. I told you guys, one time customer, one time vendor, domestic customer, domestic vendor, international customer and international vendor. Here guys, one time vendor or one time customer means to whom we sell our products. They actually, if when they are not in the position to meet our requirement, at that time this one time group persons will come in the scenario. Here when you take these vendors, when our domestic vendor and and the international vendor fail to satisfy our needs, fails to provide our needs at the moment, here one time vendor will come and this person will provide us goods and services for temporarily. Here for accounts receivable side, one time customer means here also same. This person purchases our output for a single time. He is not our regular customer. Okay. And other thing is domestic vendor and domestic customer. Suppose think that you are the person from UK. So and you are doing business. Okay. Now within the UK, if you purchase good or if you sell a good, then we call domestic vendor. If you purchase a good, if you purchase input within your country, then we call domestic vendor. If you sell a product within the UK, then we call domestic customer. And the last group is international vendor and international customer. Guys, here international vendor and international customer means, I think I'm not, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir. We can see.
Okay. Guys, here international, I mean you can see this PPT now?
Hi, sir.
Able
Okay.
to see the account payable and account receivable PPT, sir.
Okay, guys, no problem. Here, international customer and international vendor means if you sell your product beyond the limits of your country's territory, okay, then we call international vendor and international customer. It should cross your country's land boundary as well as, okay, special economic zone and maritime zone. Maritime zone. Okay, here maritime zone means, guys, you had your country boundary. Suppose think that you guys are from the Bombay, I mean Maharashtra. You can see harbor of Mumbai. No? From the harbor of Mumbai, okay. Suppose think that this is the line of. Suppose think that this is the line of Bombay harbor. And imagine this is the line. You can see now. In between it should be 1200. Okay, 1200 meters, not meters, that nautical miles. Okay, and beyond the limits we call international border. So if you sell a product or good here beyond the limit of maritime zone, it come under international transaction. Is it clear, guys? In a simple word, we can say it should cross our country's territory. Okay. For accounts payable and accounts receivable, for vendor and customer, we had put three types of vendors and three types of customer. Those are one time, domestic and international. So for each category, we has to assign respective number range. Okay, we has to assign respective number range. For just imagine, we had created, okay, we had created three account groups. It means domestic, one time and international. For these three account groups, we has to create three number range. And for this three number range, we has to create as FBN1 in the account group. What we had given as per the account group, sorry, as per the document type, we had given number range. No? When you post a transaction, just wait a second, guys. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, I'll disconnect and rejoin again. Just give me 1 second. Please wait for a moment.
Sure, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Here, You guys can see account groups. What we have created: one time, domestic and international. And for these three account groups, we have to create three number ranges. Suppose think that guys, suppose think that we had created, okay, one time vendor, one time domestic and international account groups. So for these three account groups, we has to create a number range. So what we assign, okay, number range, just to think that for this account group we had assigned number group 1 and I'm ranging 1 to 50. Just imagine 1 to 50. And for domestic, I'm giving creating number range 0 to and assigning 51 to 100. Guys, here the number range should not overlap with other one. Okay. And for international group, I'm giving 03 and maintaining 101 to just imagine 150. Guys, you will create domestic, international, sorry, for vendors and customers. For this master data, you have to create under this three category. One time, you can create only this under these account groups, one time or domestic or international. Suppose think that you had chosen domestic vendor and you had created a vendor called Rama and you had created one more account, okay, one more vendor, Krishna, and you had created Arjuna. Suppose think that one more account you had created, just imagine Hanuma. So suppose think that you had created only these four vendors or customers. You have just created only this four vendor or customer. Other you can create under person, HUF, body individual, corporate, company, trust, or whatever it might fall. You had created, just imagine you only created only four members. And in the four, just imagine that Rama, Krishna, and Arjuna come under, okay, domestic, no, come under domestic,
Domestic.
and Hanuma come under international. So when you save this, when you create this, Rama, the automatically it will assign the system 51. And the next number what it was 52 for Krishna. And the next number 53 for Arjuna. And for Hanuma, the system will assign 101. Anyone please tell me what is the reason behind it?
Because in number range,
Because
in domestic, we
yes,
mentioned 5200. So we created the vendor as a domestic. The sequence of number range is 51, 52, 53. When we created international vendor under international group, that number series comes 101. The number series started 101. So that's why it's take 101 for
Super,
Hanuma.
super, madam. And here, okay, what is the third point? assign
Assign.
account group to number. So here, just imagine that, okay, we created different account groups and we had created, this is number range guys, 01, 02 and 03. And in the thought step, for one time, we'll assign 01 domestic, 02 international, 03. Okay, and next we'll create
Vendor account.
vendor accounts in XK01. For customer, we'll create XD01. And guys, anyone please tell me in the ZL why we use tolerance?
Tolerance is a limit, sir. We define limit to GLs. We define limit to employees.
It is used to restrict. It is used to put limit of upper. How much amount you can post per document. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you can analyze one thing, we'll create single tolerance for vendor as well as customer under OBA3. Okay, and next we'll create reconciliation account. Guys, when you create a vendor in XK01 or when you create a customer in XD01, you has to mention the reconciliation account. It is used to reconcile, means it is used to check the data. It will play as a main role. Okay, and we'll post invoice by using FB60 and we'll clear it by F-53. And when it comes to customer, we'll post it by using F-22 or FB70 and we'll clear by F-28. FB60. Guys, here one more thing, not F-02 here, F-43. And we can post it F-02 also by giving changes in document type column as well as in the posting posting key is there no? There we will select this regarding this. Okay, guys, if you can analyze one thing here, K is used to denote for vendor and D it is used to denote for customer, and yes for the vendor and or for the customer. K is
GL.
for vendor and D for customer. Okay, and here D3 for the vendor and D2 for the customer. In the tomorrow session, we'll complete this basic configuration step. Guys, anybody had any doubt, please raise your doubt, sir. If not, then I will start, okay, some questioning session.